Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMLA jong kamukayaw uma Nujorki Sungoh ula Plie patbae ka Barato Police Outpost hakasni baar. Hakani ka jing Plie patbae ka Barato Police Outpost layadan lang o Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District UBS Solia Superintendent of Police West Jaintia Hills District Bikram D. Marak MDC Barato Ibor lang Shadam HT Wellston unong songsunong ka Barato udukhat ka Latempang Welfare Organization kabala sedangnya ka jing dawabu outpost na dukhat kanday spa kanday pusaw. Umanu Nujorki Sungoh habak keren ulaong baka jing ang nuot upat ba kala urlong mentakas ngi bat kan sa jing kan mau hakatan barok kaway. Ka jing Plie kani ka outpost kan wan raaya ka jing shngan bat ka jing yada ka bapura na kibor jangkaan. Ka Barato Police Outpost lakir saudong ya ka da ka sat sama outpost na Shatay Jowai Police Station na kalyang mingi ralyang outpost na Shathe bat ka Nartyang Police Station na Sepni. Kishnong kibahap hapo ka Barato Police Outpost kikentop ya ka Barato Mukro Sabah Matdin Jongkenshur Jongkwang Thangran Kli Sniryang Shiliang Mentang Tatsning, Tad Yalong, Musiao, Samatan, Mubandu, Latimpu, Tad Bamon, Omsalang, Lumuriam, Sukle, Barkabhan. Daka jing tao ya ka Barato Police Outpost barok ki Jaka ki bahap ha Barato Police Outpost kinamhap shu ha ka Nartyang Police Station.
I proudly claim that it will be bringing a policing job much nearer to the public out here, and not only the policing, even the drawing the administration closer to the people. Let me just come out with few of the points which I have noted down. The demand for Barato Outpost started way back in 1994, if I had not mistaken, and it was a group of people who spearheaded this demand in the name of Latempang Welfare Organization. I think this was right. And the first memorandum was submitted to the then DGP, Sri D.N.S. Srivastava on 1/7/1994. And then the copy was given to the late Home Minister, Tranghok Rangat. I think this was right. The then Home Minister of Meghalaya. Under this Barato Outpost, there are 26,060 population, and the land, we have got our own land, and it was donated by a very kind-hearted person, by Srimati Profitable Dakhar from Barato village itself. She was very kind enough to donate the land to the Barato outpost, and that shows how greatly the policing and administration has to come to this.
And correspondences. Then DC of Jaintia Hills Sri P.S. Dakhar on 16th October 2014 took our initiative forward, and a ray of hope started to emerge from the department, where DIG Eastern Range A.R. Mautho of Meghalaya on 29th May 2017 has written a letter to the government that under the caption, as our SP said, bringing police administration closer to people, whereby stated about the creation of at least 18 new police stations and outposts, where Barato has been listed in serial number 4. By that time, the Darbar Snow has already arranged at least 4.06, I repeat, 4.06 acres or 178,640 square feet of land at Lumteleksao for the purpose. We also feel so indebted to Srimati Profitable Dakhar and her family, who has generously donated the plot of land to the Darbar Snow on 31st July 2017. then the ball starts rolling. After several rounds of follow-up and delegations to the then Home Minister, Sri James K. Sangma, to Sri Didi Lapang, Chief Advisor, Government of Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, and Sri Lakaman Ramboy, present incumbent Home Minister on 6th August 2020. Finally, the matter see the light of the day after more than 28 years of sustainable